We are going to take a look at an Edgetech CTR960 sync router. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, like, share, and turn on notifications to receive our latest videos as they drop. This is a very clean Edgetech CTR960 sync router and hard to find, especially in this condition. The XYZ-V lineal rail system has an adjustable stop system for rectangular openings of 6.5 inches to 48 inches wide by up to 30 inches deep with a laser alignment system. The Z-axis adjustable depth stop turret allows for 3 preset router depths for various applications. The pneumatic raising and lowering router is 3¼ horsepower and runs off of 120 volts single phase power at 20 amps. It features a special cowler which forces air to blow sawdust down to the dust collection area. There are dual pneumatic hold down clamps mounted on pivoting arms. The work surface support areas are easily replaceable, and down below the router you will find 3 dust collection connections.